ServiceControl Table. The ServiceControl Table is used to control installed or uninstalled services. The ServiceControl Table has the following columns. Columns ServiceControl. This is the primary key of this table. Nameless column is the string naming the service. This column can be used to control a service that is not installed. Event. This column contains the operations to be performed on the named service. Note that when stopping a service, all services that depend on that service are also stopped. When deleting a service that is running, the installer stops the service. The values in this field are bit fields that can be combined into a single value that represents several operations. The following values are only used during an installation. Constant hexadecimal decimal description MSIDBSERVICECONTROLEVENTSTART NORD X001 1 starts the service during the start services action. MSIDBSERVICECONTROLEVENTSTOP NORD X002 2 stops the service during the stop services action. NORD X004 4 MSIDBSERVICECONTROLEVENTDLETE NORD X008 8 deletes the service during the delete services action. The following values are only used during an uninstall. MSIDBSERVICECONTROLEVENTUNINSTALLSTOP NORD X020 32 stops the service during the stop services action. NORD X040 64 MSIDBSERVICECONTROLEVENTUNINSTALLDELETE NORD X080 128 deletes the service during the delete services action. Arguments. A list of arguments for starting services. The arguments are separated by null characters. For example, the list of arguments 1, 2, and 3 are listed as a net with 3. Wait. Leaving this field null or entering a value of 1 causes the installer to wait a maximum of 30 seconds for the service to complete before proceeding. The wait can be used to allow additional time for a critical event to return a failure error. A value of 0 inches. This field means to wait only until the Service Control Manager reports that this service is in a pending state before continuing with the installation. Component external key to column 1 of the component table. Remarks. The start services, stop services, and delete services actions in sequence tables process the information in this table. For information about using sequence tables, see using a sequence table. Use the name column to start, stop, or delete services that are being replaced by the installation or that are dependent upon a new service that is being installed. For example, entering my service into the ServiceControl column can tie this service to my component in the component column. If the bit field in the event column is set for start while installing, then the installer starts my service when installing my component. Validation. ICE 06, ICE 45, ICE 69.